This game is called Mario 1-1 Challenge. And I'm pretty sure it's another Mario game where I have a pew pew pistol. If you haven't watched my Mario 64 with the gun series, you should hurt yourself. Nah, that was a joke. Just go watch it. See the controls. I know how to move. I know how to shoot. Crawling is control. Jump is to space. Space is to jump. Ground pound is control plus space. And then control plus moving plus space is how we long jump. So this one could be Mario 64 based. Could be Mario 3D World. I don't know. Mario 3D World is the one that I played when I was a little baby boy. Let's do it!
Okie dokie. Here we go.
Oh. Oh yeah. What? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this one is based off Mario 3D World. When I was little Dubsicle, right? This was my shit. But this was the stuff, man. I used to have a Wii. Oh, what does this do? They're plungers. I don't care what you say. The Wii was awesome. Oh, what are you gonna do? Bah! Doesn't matter. Bang! Bang! Got you. You suck! Aha! There we go, we got one red coin. Oh, we can go down here. Oh! Music! Ah, they're both dead. Oh, the little baby ones! Ah! No, let me go back. I don't wanna. No. Okay, there we go. Hey! I made it. Oh. Oh! I wanna go get all the red coins. Oh!
Secret unlocked.
Oh, more red coins? Yeah. I don't know how to... Oh! What'd I get? What'd I get? It's just a black plunger. You gotta give me these red coins. Oh! I think I almost just died there. Here as well. Fiddlesticks. It doesn't matter. What is this? Hold on. Ah, I did it. Well, not all of them, but I got one of them. Oh! Is wall jumping a thing in this game? No, we just have to shoot it. But there's no red one up there. We're just trying to find the red ones. Gotta be in one of these blocks. No.
Whatever. Hooah.